Web3, also known as the decentralized web, is the next generation of the internet. It is built on blockchain technology, which gives users more control over their data and privacy. What is Web3? Web3 is based on the idea of a decentralized internet where users are not reliant on centralized servers or companies to access and store their data. Instead, Web3 uses blockchain technology to create a peer-to-peer network where users can interact directly with each other. How does Web3 work? Web3 uses a variety of technologies to power its decentralized network, including blockchain, smart contracts, and distributed ledger technology (DLT). Blockchain is a distributed database that is secure and tamper-proof. It is used to store data and transactions in a way that is transparent and accessible to all users. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts that are stored on the blockchain. They can be used to automate transactions and agreements between users. Distributed ledger technology (DLT). DLT is a type of database that is distributed across a network of computers and resistant to attack than traditional centralized databases. Benefits of Web3. Web3 offers a number of benefits over the traditional web, including decentralization. Web3 is decentralized, which means that it is not controlled by any one company or organization. This gives users more control over their data and privacy. Security. Web3 is more secure than the traditional web because it uses blockchain technology. Blockchain is tamper-proof and very difficult to hack. Transparency. Web3 is more transparent than the traditional web because all transactions and data are stored on the blockchain. This makes it easier to track and audit activity. Applications of Web3. Web3 has a wide range of potential applications, including decentralized finance (DeFi). DeFi is a financial system that is built on Web3. It allows users to lend, borrow, and trade without the need for banks or other financial institutions. Non-fungible tokens (NFTs). NFTs are unique digital assets that are stored on the blockchain. They can be used to represent ownership of digital items such as art, music, and gaming items. Decentralized Autonomous Organization (DAOs). DAOs are organizations that are governed by smart contracts. They allow people to collaborate on projects and make decisions without the need for a central authority. Challenges for Web3. Web3 is still in its early stages of development, and there are a number of challenges that need to be addressed before it can become mainstream. These challenges include scalability. Web3 network need to be able to scale to handle large numbers of users and transactions. User experience. Web3 applications need to be more user-friendly in order to be adopted by the mainstream. Regulation. Web3 is a new and disruptive technology, and there is still no clear regulatory framework in place. Conclusion. Web3 has the potential to revolutionize the internet and the way we interact with each other. It is a decentralized, secure, and transparent platform that can be used to build a wide range of applications. While there are still some challenges that need to be addressed, Web3 is a rapidly developing technology with a bright future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology.